What's up, YouTube? Stacia here, and I'm here with my sidekick, Sasha. Meow. Okay, sorry. She's cute. So, anyways, butt in the face. What's up? I'm kind of new to YouTube. Had an account before, but it was, when I was in like middle school, so they were really stupid videos. 17, live in North Dakota. Probably shouldn't say that on here, but whatever, I guess. I love cats. And I love piercings. That's a good question. What piercing should I get next? I've had my eyebrow. I obviously have my lip. I've had my nose. I don't know. I've had a lot of piercings. A lot. So I don't know. Just anything. What do you think I should get next? What should I do with my hair next? Kind of bored. I like to dye my hair, obviously. I love piercings. I love cats. I love music. As you can tell from my name, System of a Down is my favorite band. Woo! I also like Slipknot, Cheetos, Scars on Broadway. Let's see. You can look at my wall and you can see other stuff that I like, kind of. Woo! That was all done like a really long time ago, so a lot of it's kind of changed. I like Hello Kitty. Okay, sorry. I don't know. Ask me questions. Yeah. That's it for now, I guess. Have a good night. Okay, bye.